First, we start by going to SAS content, go to the YVA 185, open up basics, and click on practices. From here, we're going to go to practice 2.1. And then from here, we're going to open the data pane, and we're looking for unique values. We see 12 unique values for company and 9 unique values for job title. And then we see that employee ID is a numerical measure. And then from here, we're looking at employee country to see the case, and we see the employee country is in lowercase. And then we're going to select the table and apply a filter to the table. New filter by group. And we only want internet sales and internet catalog sales management, so we're going to deselect all of the other ones. And select internet catalog sales management. And then we see logistics, stock, and shipping. And then we're going to delete the filter. And from here, we would look to see which employees are still tells us which employees are still active or retired. We see employee termination date, and if there's no termination date, then we see which employees are still active. And then we're going to click on page 2, and it asks us where's the missing job title, and we see that stock and shipping right here has the missing job title. And then we're going to go back to the data tab, and we're going to drag first. Yeah, we're going to go to the data tab, and then we're going to drag company, and it's going to auto chart for us. And we see the largest company is Orion USA, and the smallest company is Logistics. Then we're going to go back to page 1. And we're looking for the total profit of employees. So to find that out, we clicked on total profit, and I clicked here, so we'll get the lowest value first, and we see the lowest value is $11.10. And then we'll click it again. And we see that the largest value is $19,146,779.62. And then from here, I'm gonna go over and save it. Save as SAS Videos VA 1 Practice 2.1. Save. And that is my SAS Viya Practice 2.1 SAS Viya number 3.